My name's Michael, and I'm going to take you through a Qigong set called the Shi Ba Shi. It's a set of 18 movements, and we're going to go through each of them individually and then go through them all at once at the very end. And then get to here and start breathing out again. Remember to punch down the center line. Don't lock the elbow. Keep it slightly bent. And move from the waist. Move the hips. If the hips drive forwards, the back does not need to lean. The heel down comes forward. Lift the heel. You want to raise that up. Catch it above the head. Thank you very much, and please enjoy this course.